In this video, I am going to tell you what no one is telling you about this, guys. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and I hope you all are staying safe and indoors. In today's video, we are going to talk about the L'Oreal's Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence Serum. Now first things first, we'll talk about the packaging of the product, how this product works on your skin, what are the skin types which can use this product, and what are the main ingredients included in this product, those that does the magic on your skin. So in this video, I'm going to discuss the two most important ingredients of this product and how they work, how exactly they are beneficial for your skin, and all the details regarding that. So if you want to know how this product works and if this is going to be beneficial for you, do watch this video till the end. Now firstly, we'll talk about the packaging of the product. It comes in a cute bottle like this, and you have your details of the product over here. Here they have mentioned the instructions to use and the rest of the ingredient details over here, and then they have their mail address over here. At the bottom of the bottle they have the cost of the product, the retail, and the expiry of the product. Now the packaging over here looks very stylish, but this is a plastic bottle with a plastic cap. It does look very it does look like it has been packed in a glass bottle, but it is actually plastic. I really like brands who are considerate enough and they want their customers to first use their product and then decide if they want to continue with it or not. Now they come in three different sizes. The first size is over here. It's their sample size. It's a 22 ml bottle and that retails for 250 rupees. Now I got this on discount on Nykaa and I got it for 213 rupees. So if there's any discount, you can definitely buy it in a cheaper price. The other size that is available in this product is a 65 ml bottle, which retails for 799 rupees, and the biggest bottle that is available is 160 ml bottle, which retails for 1400 rupees. Now they say that you can use this product in day and night after cleansing and before moisturizing or applying a sunscreen. Now I have been using this only once in a day. I usually club this with my morning skincare routine, and this is how much is the quantity that has been used up. So I think that this bottle, if you're using both day and night, it will last for 2 weeks. So this is quite a reasonable time to actually know if the product is working for you and how the product is working for you. Now before buying the bigger size, I would definitely recommend you to buy a smaller version first, so that you can try it on your skin and actually see if it is not causing any allergies or rashes or redness to your skin. So this is a perfect size for you to know if the product is actually working for your skin, and it is going to last you for like 2 weeks. Now let's talk about what L'Oreal claims about this product. Now L'Oreal claims that this product is going to get absorbed to the 10 deep layers of your skin, leaving your skin very smooth and radiant. Now considering the ingredients that I'm going to talk about in this video, I think that the claim is really correct, and it actually is going to work to the deepest layers of your skin, working on your skin, working on the issues of your skin. Now if your skin is acne prone, it is going to work wonders for your skin because of the ingredients again that I'm going to talk about in this video. Now I'm going to talk about the two most important ingredients in this product and how they exactly work on your skin, the amazing benefits those ingredients have on your skin. The first ingredient that we are going to talk about here is Centella Asiatica. Now Centella in itself is a great ingredient for your skin. It works wonders in every way and it is great for every skin type. So most important benefit of Centella is that it contains anti-aging properties. That is because it contains a lot of flavonoids, which serves as antioxidants that helps to neutralize the free radical damages that happens to your skin when your skin is exposed to sun rays and is exposed to the pollution around. Now the second important benefit of Centella is that it has great moisturizing properties. It is highly hydrating for your skin. Now this is because it is rich in amino acids and fatty acids, and amino acid is a great hydrating agent to soothe the roughness and the dryness of the skin. The third most important benefit of Centella is that it has amazing healing and soothing properties. Now if you are someone who has a lot of acne marks or who even has active acne, you can definitely give this a try, because when you apply this serum on your active acne, it is going to get absorbed in your skin and it is going to work on the deepest layers of your skin. The second most amazing ingredient in this product is salicylic acid. Now salicylic acid is also called beta hydroxy acid. Now what it does, it mildly exfoliates your skin, it reduces the acne marks and active acne on your skin. It also prevents your skin from future breakouts. Now I'll tell you how a salicylic acid exactly works on your skin. Now when you have pores, you usually get it, the pores usually are clogged with dead skin cells, oils, etc. Now this is going to lead to your skin having whiteheads and blackheads. Now when you apply any serum of which contains a salicylic acid, it gets absorbed in your skin and it helps to dissolve the dirt, the gunk, the oil, whatever is there inside your pores, leaving your pores clean, unclogged. Now when this happens, it will also help to shrink the pores. So if you are someone with lot of large pores, or if you are someone with lot of open pores, this is going to help you to shrink the pores. Now obviously this is going to take a lot of time because this is a slow process. So when you're using this serum, or I would request you to at least use it for around 2-3 weeks for the results to show. Now I got my hands on this product last month, but I could only start using this a week back and have been using it from then. Now I haven't seen a lot of magical results on my skin because there is a lot of other skincare I use, but I definitely saw glow on my face whenever I woke up in the morning, the next day in the morning, or I saw a little bit of my acne marks fading away. I have some acne marks over here and on my chin, and I did see results where the acne marks are fading away. Now another great thing about this serum is that you can club this serum with any skincare. So if you are using your Neutrogena, so I have paired this with Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel, I paired this with my Pond's cream, I also paired this with many of my other toners as well, and this is giving the equal amount of results with any product you pair this with. So this is one benefit that this product has, that you can pair it with any skincare. Now if you are someone who needs who is new to skincare, or if you need a serum which is budget friendly, you can definitely give this a try. Now I would really request you, if you're trying this out for the first time, go for the small bottle, test this out on your skin, and only then go for the bigger bottle, so that you know how this exactly is working on your skin. If you are using this regularly, chances are that it works great on acne prone skin because of the ingredients I've just spoken about. And if you are even someone with scars or active acne, it is going to give great results, again because of salicylic acid that is there in this particular product. One thing I absolutely enjoyed about this product is that it's watery texture. Now I am a combination skin and I do not like anything heavy on my skin. Whenever I apply this on my face, within 2 seconds it gets absorbed and it does not leave any greasy texture or any heaviness on my skin. The other benefit is that it is free of mineral oil, it is free of paraben, it is free of sulfate, so it is great for your skin. So that is one benefit that it has, that it is very light on your skin. And if you are someone with very oily skin, then definitely give this a try, because when you are going to apply this, you won't feel very heavy on your skin, and plus it will give you the hydration that is required for it. So that was my take and my detailed review on this product, guys. I hope this was helpful for you. I hope you can make up your mind if you want to buy this product or not. Now if you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up, consider subscribing to my channel, also follow me on Instagram, I'll link it in the description box, and I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy and be beautiful. Bye bye.